Now this is a very important question. Now the question becomes tan A plus secant A minus 1 upon tan A minus secant A plus 1 is equal to 1 upon cos A plus sin A upon cos A. Now further we can write this as tan A plus secant A minus 1 on tan A minus secant A plus 1 is equal to, now 1 upon cos A is secant A plus tan A. By cross multiplying, tan A plus secant A minus 1 is equal to secant A plus tan A with tan A minus secant A plus 1. By cross multiplying. Okay. Now tan A plus secant A minus 1 becomes secant A plus tan A 1 minus secant A minus tan A. Now I have just taken this one here, then negative for secant A, and this becomes negative. Okay. So now this becomes secant A plus tan A, multiplying secant A plus tan A with 1 minus secant A plus tan A secant A minus tan A. Secant A plus tan A minus secant square A minus tan square A, using the identity A plus B, A minus B. Okay. Now this becomes secant A plus tan A minus 1, using the identity secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Tan A plus secant A minus 1 is equal to tan A plus secant A minus 1, proved.